Okay, so now that we have our sort of virtual environment, whatever you made, we're gonna add the virtual button. Okay, so in the previous video, if you haven't done so, from the part 1, make sure that all your objects are a child object of your marker, because you want our positions relative to the marker. So if you click on marker and you check the inspector, under image target behavior, you want to go into your advanced and you want to click add virtual button. Okay, so now you see that there is a virtual button. You're not able to move it in the Y plane. This is locked. Oops, I moved it in the Z. Yeah, you can check, you can try for yourself. If you add in something, it'll always be 1. So I'm gonna move it over here. So it's actually transparent. You're not able to see where the button is. So if you want to be able to see where your button is, you just add a plane on top of it, a colored plane, whatever. I'm just gonna leave it as transparent. So now that we have our virtual button, we'll need a script to for its behavior. So I'm gonna create a folder called script. This is just convention, and then I'm gonna create a C# script, and maybe just, I don't know, virtual button like this, and I'm gonna open it. Okay, so first things first is to import Vuforia and all the relevant namespaces, etc. And you'll see there's an error here, no worries. You just have to implement these interfaces so you can automatically generate it. Just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna manually type it out. You guys can fast forward if you know how to do it already. Wait, I don't need this. Okay, so on button pressed. And similarly, copy, paste, on button released. We got caps for each word. Okay, done. Okay, now you want to assign the buttons, so my virtual button, VB, and in your start you want to initialize it. You want to get the component that controls the behavior, the event handler. Oh, right, sorry, VB, that component, which is the virtual behavior button, virtual button behavior. I cannot say the word button correct like normally. And register, sorry, just this. Okay, that's it. And maybe just debug something here. And similar, oh right, sorry. And similarly, okay. So just Control S to save it, and then we go back to our project file. If it hasn't refreshed, just Control R to refresh, or just go to Assets and refresh it. Okay, so usually we create sort of a game manager empty object to manage all the behaviors for us. So I'm just going to do that now. Or you can just attach the script to anything here, since it will, when it initializes, it will initialize the script as well. So I'm going to drag it and drop it on my game manager. And you have to assign the virtual button here. Okay. And yeah, now it should work. So just run it, press play or whatever, and then try holding down your button, and then look at your console window and check if it debugs the correct thing.